How to use Coinbase Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Coinbase Wallet. In order to use Coinbase Wallet, what you'll have to do is, first of all, you'll need to begin with creation of your account. So then to create your account, first of all, you'll have to install the Coinbase Wallet app. And once you're done installing it, you'll be able to see two different options. That is, create new wallet or already have a wallet. So if you already have an account, then click on I already have a wallet, entering your credential and logging into your Coinbase Wallet account. But then if you don't have an account, click on create new wallet, located right in between. And now you begin with creation of your account. So you'll have to go through 5 steps. In order to complete the procedure, you'll have to first of all pick a username or create a username, and make sure to mark on the terms and condition as well and click the submit button. So after you've done picking up your username on the other interface, you'll have to select the backup procedure. So make sure to go through the prompt and follow the instruction as guided. And once you've done that, it's going to take you to the last interface where you need to protect your wallet. So you can use a password in order to protect your wallet, or you can create a Face ID. Select the convenient method. Once you've done that, you've successfully created your Coinbase Wallet account. Now what you can do is, once you're done creating your account, now you can start exploring the Coinbase Wallet, and then you can start using Coinbase Wallet. So that's basically how you can use Coinbase Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.